Hey, what's up? John Diggle here with the Fusion Pipeline, and welcome to an exciting gameplay in regards to Call of Duty Black Ops 7 straight into Avalon on Endgame. Let's get started. I'm going to head into Root Crasher Glitch to show you all how fast you can take out the Z-Rex in 30 to 48 seconds, clearing out the waves in 8 to 10 minutes, giving you quicker access to nightmare skills. Now you're going to need a crash cart for a fast revive and invulnerability, grappling hook for quick access to high grounds. These skills aren't required, but I use them as my best build, so use at your discretion. Gunner for fast reload, Eagle Eye for those damage boosts on crits, and Last Shot Plus, which will do extra damage when you're just about out of ammo. Warband to pick up those ammo salvage packs, replenishing your armor, and you'll also be able to toss more than just 2 equipment. Guardian, in my opinion, the best skill track so enemies damage themselves when shooting at you, and you can replenish equipment when grabbing ammo salvages. For the exotic skill tracks, I recommend Echo Shell and Celebration 3. Echo Shell helps when enemies are trying to flank you or shoot you from behind, which causes little to no damage to you. Fission is useless in this because the elite enemies spawn at the end. Celebration is the best considering it can be activated through multiple assets with your build. The Nightmare exotics, you'll want to have Sleeper Agent. In my opinion, the best Nightmare skill next to Chaos Rounds and Phoenix Burst. With Sleeper Agent, you can turn an enemy on everyone else and they explode. Doing so will cause Celebration to activate, delivering mortar rounds to other enemies. I'm also using Phoenix Burst, which gives you unlimited ammo, and for a short period of time, you will be... Now, let's take a look at our loadout. I'm using the XR3 Ion. As everyone says, it is busted, especially with Sharpshooter as a utility and shrapnel rounds for that extra damage. I have a ballistic knife with mortar rounds as a backup when I need to get in some quick kills close up. Slasher helping me attack at danger speeds. I also have the so-called 545 as my acquisition. Yes, it is a primary that I put in my acquisition, so if you want to know how to do that, just look up B-Man on YouTube. With my so-call, I have 353 rounds, rocking the exotic trait of mortar rounds and sharpshooter for easy crit damage. Lastly, I have pinpoint grenades. It's the best to use when activating Celebration, as it also tracks enemies hiding in corners. So you essentially don't have to fire a lot of bullets during this run because Celebration is activated through Sleeper Agent and pinpoint grenades. Not to mention, I have mortar rounds on the so-called 545 LMG. So without further ado, let's hop in and enjoy the gameplay.
Tactical out. They got machine gun.
unstable growths.
You know I have a black dog who gives you one demonstration.
Objective complete. Objective: eliminate severe corruption. Objective complete.
Tactical out. What the hell is that? Bastard's quick.
Be advised, safe zone relocated.